Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to start a new project and edit your video on VSDC
video editor software.
VSDC video editor software is absolutely free. It has no tutorials or format limitation. Also, it does not need any watermark if you want to export out your video. And that being said, let's get started. If you want to create a project, click on this icon right here with the plus folder, which is called blank project. And once you get here, there is a project settings. Now if you want to change your project title, you may do so. It's easy to find your file when there's too much of projects that you need to do. So let's say you want to name as ABC. This is your new project called ABC. So if you want to change the resolution, you may do so as well. However, it depends on your recording resolution. So once you have set up your project settings, you may start to do your project here. To add videos into your project, click on Add Object, press on it, and you'll see there are different options here. So you would like to add video, so click on the video, and you have to find the video that you want to put into the ABC project.
A few minutes later.
Before your video is added, there is settings here, so press OK and you're ready to go and edit your project. To trim or split, first click on the video that you would like to trim or split. So let's click on this split into parts. Click on that. You can see now it is separated, and if you don't want it, just click on this part which has been trimmed, press the delete button, and here you go. Now it has been removed off. Now, to combine another video, let's say your outro, which is the end of the video, you need to add another video again.
A few minutes later.
Once you've added another video into your project, you see this one again. Let's click on OK. And here we go. It is now attached together. To export your video project, click on this button right here called Export Project. And click on this. And you'll see this right here. Click continue. You may see it's exporting out, and you have to wait the moment. Once it is completed, there's an information here. Click on OK, and you have to export out your project.